Hello, Transurfers and the Transurfing Curious. I am Renee Garcia, and this is TransurfingTV, the only official YouTube channel for Reality Transurfing. So today, day 19, Credo of a Creator. Oh my God, I love it. It's so good. This wasn't even a statement, I think, that was in the book. So I really feel at this point that we are getting like a ton of bonus information from Vadim on these lessons, and I'm absolutely loving each day. So I hope you are too. And if you missed any of the previous days, go back and take a look. There's 18 lessons before this, 78 altogether, so a number to come. And yes, Credo of a Creator. I will get into it, the statement, the interpretation, and of course I will then throw in my 2 cents. And let's get started. Credo of a Creator statement. Always be yourself. Do not betray yourself under any circumstances. Live in accordance with your beliefs. Breaking them, or even worse, not having them, would destroy you as a person, and your life would be miserable. When the image is wrong, the reflection in the mirror is crooked too. It is necessary to bring your thoughts and deeds under one denominator. Do not lie to yourself, and there would be no annoying distortion in the mirror. You are the creator of your reality, and you have nothing to be ashamed or afraid of. Remember, you are not alone, strength is with you, and your world takes care of you. Ooh, it's so good. Interpretation. When you live according to your credo, soul and mind merge into unity. So you do as you consider appropriate, without complying with public opinion. You should never betray yourself. If you need to do something to which the soul actively resists, everything goes to hell. And on the contrary, when you live according to your credo, even if some of your actions are contrary to common sense, eventually all ends well. Ooh, it's so cool. There is no need to analyze how exactly the credo fixes reality. Just the lack of distortion in the image brings the reflection to normalcy. The unity between the soul and mind forms a clear image that is immediately materialized by the mirror of the world. All your real desires will be filled. This is law. Oh my God, I love it. I love these kinds of lessons. I love when Vadim Zeland states that we should not go with the herd, that we should declare our reality our own and give up that desire to please other people and create beliefs based on what other people want of us. I've done a pretty good job of this my whole life, sort of going my own way. But one of the things that I really was not doing right in the past is I didn't have super firm beliefs that I was the one that was accountable and the creator of what reality I chose to have. And he says it here so simply, breaking your beliefs, or even worse, not having beliefs, would destroy you as a person, and your life would be miserable. So that's really what it boils down to, is like, if you're in a place of misery, you've got some work to do, right? People that have been chronically unhappy or depressed for a while, I believe that, first of all, you have not had the credo of a creator. You've had the credo of a guilty person, or the credo of a person that, not even a credo at all, right? You have simply been manipulated and used by other people, pendulums, and have adhered to scripts that were not created by you. So this is the antithesis, is create a credo for yourself as a creator. And then you will start living in accordance to your beliefs. So if you don't know what your beliefs are right now, maybe you could just take a few from Reality Transurfing to start, or some of these lessons, and just get into a place where you believe and accept that you have the ability to take back your life, take back your script, and create a credo, a belief system that serves you and you alone first. Start casting away or throwing out other people's desires for you, or need to see you adhere to a script that does not serve you in any way whatsoever. So curious to hear your thoughts. This is, again, in my opinion, one of these lessons that help us begin to truly create our own reality. So some of the previous stuff like guilt, right? That is you getting yourself up out of the hole, realizing when you're projecting guilt to your mirror. Now that you're out of the hole and you're sort of at ground zero, so to speak, now comes the tools to help you build a house constructed of new bricks. So I am curious to hear your thoughts, questions, likes, comments, and then the next day is day 20, your way. So I love these ones. I love these ones that empower the individual. They're beautifully written, even with the little idiosyncrasies of translation, and I love them, and I hope you guys too do as well. Have a good day, and let me know your thoughts, everyone. Bye.